What's up guys, it's Marina. Welcome back to Mondays with Marina. This video is actually on a Monday this time. So crazy. Ugh, I need a tan, jeez. Ew. I look so washed out right now. Today I'm gonna be turning myself into SHEGO from Kim Possible. If you don't know what Kim Possible is, then that sucks. It's an iconic childhood cartoon. I did a video similar to this where I turned my sisters and I into Powerpuff Girls for no reason. I did that video in like, I think August. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it was in March. By August, September, October. 7 months. You're lying. Okay, that is literally crazy. But if you guys haven't watched that video, you guys should. It was so much fun and has like 2.1 million views or something like that. And if you guys like these type of videos, then definitely let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's enough talking. Let's get started. What's up? It's me again, but zoomed up. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with eyebrows and eyeshadow. So SHEGO's eyebrows kind of go like this. It's really arched and she has like this little flick at the front. So let's do that. Kim Possible, your favorite average girl. I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me cause So I'm gonna do my eyebrows how I normally do it, and then I'm gonna come back to do the flick. Okay, just kidding, I lied. I'm actually gonna make my eyebrows more arched. I don't know why I told you guys that I was gonna do it normally. Okay, brows are done. They're really arched. I kind of like them though. How do you like? Okay, so now I have to add the little flick. Oh my god, it looks like I have block brows. Wait, no, but like actually though, they look like fucking blocks. Ah! Oh my god!
No, they don't.
What the fuck? Wait. Okay, we're gonna retry that because they look like blocks. Okay, how does that look? Okay, great, thank you. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Why is my left eyebrow so ugly? Hello. Yeah, my left eyebrow is so ugly. My left eyebrow is still cousins to my right, but yeah, I'm done trying. So now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this ColourPop concealer. Oh, my nails. Okay, if my nails and my decor doesn't put you in the Halloween mood, this is in the color medium 22. Setting with Laura Mercier. All right, now we're gonna unleash our inner artist. I'm gonna be using these two green colors. Actually, I'm gonna use the light green and the yellow together so I can make more of a lime green and put this all over my lid. Hey! Guess who I'm becoming? Base is done. Now I'm gonna add the darker green right here and mix it slightly with this one and put it in my outer corners and blending it upwards to my crease. Okay, eyeshadow is done. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add eyeliner using the Wet n Wild the Mega Liner in black.
So you went to the Fifth Harmony concert, right?
Mm-hmm.
I started watching their old videos and I started crying. I was like, I fucking hate you, Camila Cabello. You did this. You did this.
And I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me cause I'm SHEGO, 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 SHEGO. Kim Poss. Ew, my eyebrows. Ew, they look like blocks.
I know, girl, right? So gross.
Suicide doors. Arakawi. Okay, I'm gonna put on some lashes. And lashes are on. Now I'm gonna finish the rest of my base makeup. Base makeup is done. I'm gonna add under eyeshadow with the same colors that I used on top. And under eyeshadow is on, and I'm gonna add bottom lash mascara. And I'm back. This is what it looks like so far. Now for the fun part. Oh wait, actually I'm gonna do highlight first because I'm stupid and I didn't remember to do that. Anyways, I'm using Kylie Quartz. It's kind of yellow, so it'll match with the green. Okay, now base makeup is officially done. SHEGO has this little fire that is green and it has little black dots on it. So I was thinking a little green flame above my eyebrow and then have the black dots. Kind of scared. Okay, I'm gonna do the outline first. Yeah. Can you get your hairy arms? Babe, get your...
But I'm hungry. I'm like the doll in the cartoons, you can't see their face.
Okay. It looks like a blob. Oh wait, it kind of looks like a middle finger. Now I'm gonna add the darker green. Add some shadows right in the middle. Yeah, that just looks like a darker middle finger. Okay, now it just looks like a triangle. Okay, I'm gonna use black eyeliner for these dots. I'm scared. Okay, here's the little flame. I'm gonna add darker green in the middle again, just like that. But now for the final thing. This is gonna make me look full SHEGO mode. My lip. I'm gonna do black on the top and I'm gonna use my concealer for my bottom lip. It's gonna look really weird, but hashtag SHEGO. Okay, I'm just gonna hit and blend it out. Okay, I have this black lipstick. Looks like this. And it's 3 years old. It looks so good. Oh my god. Okay. Outfit time. Actually, I think I'm gonna take this off because I literally can't talk and I still need to do my outfit. This is the finished makeup look. We switched to the vlog camera. It's time to choose the outfit. Let's go in my closet. Excuse that. Welcome to my closet. We also have pants on this side. Oh, I don't know why that's there. That's school supplies. Okay, I kind of already have an idea. So I have this shirt. It looks kind of yellow, honestly. Like on camera, that looks yellow. This is yellow. This is green. Okay, wait, it still kind of looks yellow, but whatever, I'm still gonna use this. I also have this shirt. It's a little bit more green than this one, but this is the shirt that Maya wore in the other video, so we're gonna go with this. Also, SHEGO wears a bodysuit with a high neck, and this has that vibe. Okay, so for pants, I was thinking either leggings or a black skirt. I think I'm gonna go with black skirt. It looks like this. Here's the final options. I'm gonna change. Fit is on. Oh my god. It looks so cute. This whole look is coming together. Now this is the final fit. I love it so much. Oh. Okay. Yeah, SHEGO would never wear a skirt. The skirt just looks so much better. It looks more like a costume instead of something that I would actually wear. Okay, now I'm gonna do my hair extensions. Time to take out the braids. Okay, this is what the hair looks like. It's still wet, so I hope this stays like this. I love the semi-crimp look. Ooh. Okay, so for the final touch, my hair extensions. This is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after. Okay, now all I have to do is just add my lips, and I'm gonna do a cute final reveal montage. Deuces.